Alright guys, got the Radiomaster T8L today. It's my first FPV drone controller. It's Express ELRS or Express LRS. Okay, let's open these bad boys up. Interesting that it was Star Drone that sold these. I guess it's just a store. It's an online store. This plastic is no good. Alright, come on guys. Alright, here they are. Came with this, I guess it's a protection thingy. Yeah, so that nothing would hit that. It's kind of weird. Alright, let's take it out. Oh, it's kind of snug in here. Ah, this feels good on the hands. Whoa, nice. Removable joysticks. Nice. Can't wait to jump in the sim with these. I was limping along with the PS3 controller and it was just not a good experience. Oh, these return to center when you do yaw left, right. This one also self-centering. Nice. Can't wait to try my pinching methods. I heard micro moves. Sweet. Alright, so I have to put the batteries in, charge these bad boys. Alright. Extra screws, some instructions. Alright. Okay, I need to try the batteries because I got these batteries at a vape shop, local vape shop, so I don't know if they're gonna fit. I think they will. They're still 3,000 milliamps per hour, 3.7 volts, 18650s, the brand. It's like, this is for vape mods. It's I think it's NXJO. Alright, let's open this bad boys up. You know what? This is very easy to open. And there is the compartment for the first battery. Positive side up. Whoa, it's almost, oh, okay. Kind of difficult to put in here. Yeah, I don't think these batteries are gonna fit. It's weird, man. That is weird. Oh, there they are. Just need to put a little bit more pressure. Yeah, I did pinch my fingers. Ouch. Okay, they're in there. So like here. Alright, let's get the other side in. Alright. Let's get the other side in. Alright, let's see if I can do this with a little bit more finesse. Oh yeah, they went it right in. That's weird. The other one was fighting me. Alright, dudes. Oh my god. Can't wait to jump on the sim. Try these bad boys out. Nice. Okay, let's wonder if I'm gonna need a special I'm gonna need a special cube to charge this, or if I can use the computer to charge them. Let's see if I can just plug them into the computer and charge these things. Yep, they're charging. Alright, I'm gonna let them charge up, and then guess jump into the sim later on, see how they feel, and start getting my hands on acro mode with these. Acro mode was a pain in the neck with the PS3 controller. This thing is way too sensitive. I'm hoping that this will allow me to be have more control. Nice. Alright, thanks for watching.